garden friends. Well, today I'm headed to the Northwest Flower and Garden Show. It's in Seattle, Washington, and it's one of the biggest gardening events in the Pacific Northwest. Join me today as I show you some spectacular and stunning highlights of the beautiful gardens that were displayed there. And there's also a Celebrity Container Gardening Showdown. And at the end of this video, you're not going to believe who I got a chance to meet. So let's go, shall we? This is a modern interpretation of a traditional Japanese design, and it's absolutely beautiful. They have a tree here that is estimated to be 350 years old there. Absolutely incredible. Absolutely beautiful. And of course there's a Japanese lace leaf maple there. Stunning. Now this is a manzanita. It's called an Austin Griffiths manzanita, and it's been in bloom here for a minute, and it's absolutely spectacular. The branching on these is just gorgeous, in my opinion. This is called a mountain hemlock. The estimated age is 80 plus years, according to the signage. That is gorgeous as well. Ah, that is an Edgeworthia. Isn't that absolutely stunning? It's also known as a paper bush. Absolutely gorgeous winter interest. Edgeworthia, the paper bush. And this is a showstopper. This is a Japanese lace leaf maple that has obviously been pruned with the utmost of care. Absolutely exquisite. Check out this display. This is called the Flavor of New Orleans. Wow, what brilliant colors they've got going on here. Oh my goodness. That is really some wild, vibrant colors, isn't it? And it looks fantastic. Of course, they've got the beads hanging down from the tree there. Look at that loveliness. Wow. Absolutely gorgeous. And they've done a great job of putting together these myriad of colors here. And it's very vibrant. I spy some hellebores. Look at those darlings. And look, all the way up. Now this is a variety of an olive tree. And the displays here, obviously there's quite a bit of people wanting to get in there. And they have an outdoor shower there. Terrific. Well, I found the hellebores. Aren't they absolutely fantastic? A great variety of hellebores they got here. This looks like an Australian mint bush here. And it's starting to get a little busy here in the Seattle Convention Center. But we will carry on and see what other goodies that we can find. Also got a very interesting plant. Look how beautiful that is.
Oh, looks like we just had it.
Now this is a weeping pussy willow tree, and I don't know too much about this, but Isn't that unusual? Beautiful. And here's some more hellebores.
49.61.
And look at those. Spectacular. So these are 3 stunning 40-year-old Chief Joseph pine trees.
This is one of my favorite spring blooming trees. So.
And what was the name of it again?
Cornelian cherry.
Cornelian cherry.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Look at this spectacular display of yellow dogwood and red dogwood. Look at these. These are some kind of orchids. Well, here's Hello Gardens, beautiful flower and garden display. It's called Small Space Big Dream, and she's got a beautiful display here. It looks like she won a silver medal. And Kate from Hello Garden is here on the premises. Now look at these spectacular tree that she's got. It looks like it's leafing out. Absolutely gorgeous. And I'll take a look around here. Beautiful. Here we are on the other side there. And beautiful, beautiful. And there she is, Kate. And around the backside of this beautiful garden display are some espaliers, which are apples. And of course, she's got a variety of daffodils and hyacinths. And these are early blooming flowers. And it is absolutely stunning. She's done a beautiful job here.
And the winner is?
I can't believe I got a chance to meet Kate. She has a YouTube channel called Hello Garden, so make sure you check her out. She's an absolute wealth of information. Well, I hope this has given you some inspiration for your own garden today, and I'll catch you in the next one.